Cool. One of the things we try and do on this channel is present very plausible effects that can set up anomalies that could explain why all the dinosaurs were wiped out in one go, or almost at the same time. The Jenner-Bekoff effect could have achieved that by displacing the central bulge of oceans around our equatorial region all over the continents as they are today, and a displacement in a rotating mass could easily set up that effect of the Jenner-Bekoff effect. And as a result, you know, it could be plausible, very plausible, that when we do go further into this glacial period, which we are on a collision course with, amongst other things, we could see that happen. You know, our governments aren't even geared up for the grand solar minimum and the magnetic pole reversal taking place on our Earth. They've put all their eggs in the wrong baskets completely just to make money. It seems that they are more interested in making money wrongfully on the back of global warming caused by man putting CO2 into the atmosphere, as opposed to trying to protect the species and ensure human continuity. You know, we need to do much more than what we're doing right now, because we're on a collision course for a very ugly destiny